Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove your payment method from the Uber app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and remove one of your credit cards because you've lost it or maybe it's outdated. How do you actually go ahead and remove your payment method? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Uber app. Next, click on Account on the bottom right-hand corner. Afterwards, click on Wallet on the top right-hand corner. Then find the payment method that you want to go ahead and remove. So we're going to click on this payment method here. Afterwards, click on Remove Payment Method, then click on Delete. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and remove your payment method from the Uber app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.